So here we have these three shovels here. There's the Astro AI, Snow Pro, and Plotchaday. Now I tested out all three of these and I'm gonna let you know which one's my favorite. Starting off with the Astro AI shovel, it's pretty compact and easily folds out into a decent length shovel. It has a mostly aluminum frame with all these plastic pieces, so it's pretty sturdy. It also has this pretty big scoop, which makes it really easy to pick up snow. Next is the Snow Pro shovel, and it's quite a bit easier to fold out, but it's also a lot smaller. This one only extends to 32 inches and it has a much flatter and smaller scoop. It does still have the aluminum frame though and feels just slightly more sturdy than the last one. Lastly, we have the Plotchaday shovel, and this just comes in 4 separate pieces that you put together like this. This one comes out to a full 42 inches, so it is the longest by about 4 inches. The one I got has this plastic scoop, but you can also get it in aluminum if you want it to be that much stronger. It has a metal rod, which is also plenty strong enough. It has a decent handle and then a nice soft foam grip over here that lets you get a lot of leverage. So anyway, these are all great shovels, but what I think it really comes down to is their compactness and how easy they are to put together. This one's gonna win for most compact, but it has a lot of loose parts and is a bit more difficult to assemble than the other two. This one here is super easy to get ready to go. You just have to fold it out like that and then extend the handle and you're ready to go. But when you fold it back up, as you can see, the handle sticks out quite a bit. It's actually 21 inches long, which is going to be a bit long for me when I'm looking for a compact shovel. Finally, we have this one, and it does have the extra step of attaching the handle, but after that, it's the same thing with just folding it out and extending the handle. And then you have a really good shovel that has a decent sized scoop and also has a really big handle that folds down into a pretty compact 16 inches long. So in the end, the compactness of the Astro AI, along with its ease of putting it together, gives it the win from me. That being said though, none of these are perfect, and that one definitely could have came with a bag. But anyway, I hope that helped you make your decision, and thanks for watching.